Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a workout routine inspired by none other than King Charles himself. Yep, you heard that right. We're talking about the 5BX program, a quick, efficient 11-minute workout that's perfect for anyone with a busy schedule. Now, King Charles has reportedly been following the 5BX, or 5 Basic Exercises program, which was originally developed by the Royal Canadian Air Force. It's a simple yet effective workout designed to improve overall fitness in just 11 minutes a day. And the best part, you don't need any equipment. So, the workout consists of 5 basic exercises that target different areas of your body. Each one is designed to build strength, flexibility, and stamina. Let's break them down. Exercise 1. Stretching. This helps improve flexibility and warm up your muscles. Reach as far as you can, hold the stretch, and don't forget to breathe deeply. Exercise 2 sit-ups for 1 minute. Next, we move to sit-ups to engage the core. Make sure to keep your back straight and focus on controlled movements. This one is great for strengthening your abs. Exercise 3 back extensions for 1 minute. Back extensions help to strengthen the lower back, which is crucial for posture and avoiding back pain, especially if you sit a lot. Exercise 4 push-ups, 2 minutes. Push-ups work the chest, shoulders and arms. If you're just starting out, feel free to do them on your knees. Just keep the form tight. Exercise 5. Running in place, 5 minutes. Finally, we finish with running in place. You can mix it up with high knees or just jog lightly, but the goal is to keep moving for a full 5 minutes to boost your cardio. And that's it. In just 11 minutes, you've worked your entire body, improved flexibility, and boosted your endurance. This routine has been a go-to for King Charles for decades, and it's easy to see why. It's quick, efficient, and you can do it anywhere. If you enjoyed today's workout, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Let me know in the comments if you tried the 5BX routine and how it worked for you. See you in the next video.